Yay. Super excited today. Oh my goodness. Hello. Today we are unboxing Rihanna's Fenty beauty products. I am so excited you're here. I'm Simone Simpson, founder of Wondering Yoga Cafe Entertainment, and I am really excited. I'm doing unboxings. I'm showing you the products that I use. I definitely believe in sharing and showing you what I found that works, what I'm using that's working for me, and allowing you the option to add that to your arsenal of things that feel good, things that make you beautiful, things that you can use for your home. So today we are unboxing Fenty. So I actually, maybe a year ago, I said, I want to learn how to apply makeup. Whenever I go to an event, I would have to go and have makeup done professionally. And I love that. But I thought, wouldn't it be nice to be able to apply my own makeup and just have a really nice makeup done? Because when I walked into the makeup room, and I would see many people in there that walked in looking like, people I might see every day. Everyone walked out stunning. And I just thought, really, the face is a canvas. So if I can learn this, I can apply this. And I'm really excited because I'm attending an event in September, and they're wanting us to dress as our future selves. And so I said, this is perfect time for me to really learn to apply the makeup. I have right now I just have on mascara and then a little bit of a, oh, I should show you more. And I have on a lip gloss. It's slightly colored. It has a pink tint to it, but that's all I'm wearing now. However, let's see what came. I'm super excited. So this is the box. This is the size of the box. I really like, there's a personal touch to it because I know who packed my box. It was Gabriella C. So thanks, Gabriella. Super happy to have you there packing my box of Fenty products. And a little bit about why I think this is important. About a year ago, I decided I wanted to learn how to apply makeup. I thought, I like to look in the mirror and like what I see, and makeup enhances everything as an enhancer. And so I thought, there's so much pretty shaming in the world. Like, what I think that we should encourage everyone to like what they see, regardless of what that looks like. Not saying everyone should look the same way. Some people like really short hair, some people long hair, some people no hair, some people have really beautiful designs. Whatever that is for you, I think you should look in the mirror and go, yeah, that girl, or yeah, that guy, yeah, that person, whatever, or yeah, those people, whatever you think is beautiful for you, beautiful, handsome, nice looking, got it. That's what we should all feel. So for me, I was like, let me start applying makeup. And there are a lot of women that like me who don't know how. And so I wanted to just start learning with all of you, and maybe we can learn together. But I first wanted to get a good product. And so I did a lot of research, extensive research. I wanted a product that used good components that weren't going to damage my skin, but that were going to add to hydrate and even heal if that's possible with certain ingredients. And I also wanted something that looked good. I wanted the cases, the containers to kind of look like jewelry, to look good. And so what I found with all my research is there was one or the other. Either it was a product that was made of really good ingredients, high quality ingredients that were really good for you, but the containers looked like you were in a chemistry lab. And nothing wrong, I took OChem like all of us who did, and I spent a lot of time in those labs, but I don't want my makeup to look like it just came out of a lab. Or there were some that had the most amazing, looked like jewelry cases and containers, but the product that was inside was a low quality. And I'm like, I just need both. Can I just get both? And boom, of course, Rihanna was everywhere. It just come out with her makeup line. And so I clicked on it and I started reading, and I was like, there you go. Thank you. So, Rihanna, thank you so much. I know that part of my desire to have this product was a little bit of the energy that you tapped into when you have the desire to provided to us. So thank you so much for tapping in there. And so this is another thing I want to share with a lot of you because I just realized it. There is tape on these boxes, but if you cut the correct pieces, you can easily open the box. I used to spend about 5 minutes just trying to pry boxes open, but I did it to get the finger exercise, but you don't have to do that. You can get your finger exercise in Bikram yoga or do the Bikram yoga exercises on your own. So this slice I'm going to cut and here and here, and it should open up easily. So I'll cut those two and let's see what's in here. I ordered this a while ago, so I don't really remember everything that I've ordered. That's something that I like. So today is Christmas for me because I've ordered, because I'm opening a box, I don't know what's in here. Okay, so I sliced here, here, and here, and then it should, yeah, it did, just open right up. And look at this, I love this that she thought of the inside. Like, you've gotta do that, gotta do that. That says Fenty Skin Beauty. You see that? I'm gonna make sure you see it. Fenty Skin Beauty. And that looks like this is the sand and that's the ocean or the sky, because I live right on the beach. I know that a lot of you know Miami Beach, and that's what that looks like, almost like riding in the sand. So let's see what's in here. So this is my Fenty kit of makeup. I'm super excited. Let's see what's in here. So of course my order slip, it shows my order. Wow, I got a lot. So the first thing, oh, the heat, that's right. This is a new heat gloss bomb and the color is hot cherry. So let's see, look at that. And see that, this is what I was talking about. It's a high quality product, but I love the way this looks. I love the way it feels. It looks like jewelry to me. And that's it. So the heat actually gives a little bit of lip plumper. So I'll try that. I'm gonna do a live with you and put that on. So this is the first thing that came. And gloss bomb. So another gloss. Let's see what color I got. Oh, the diamond milk. I think I just ordered some more of that. I didn't know I ordered it. Diamond milk. I love this. I love what it does to the coloring on my lips. So diamond milk. And again, this is another, it's like, it's a gloss, it's glossy, but gives you a diamond milk color. So I love it. And a third one, let's see what color this is. Oh, good. Perfect. That is the cheeky. This, which is really interesting, is my first time applying an orange gloss. And I loved it. It has an orange tone to it. So I ordered a kit and it had like 6 mini glosses with all these colors, and the orange was one of them. And I just kept it to the side. I never opened it. And finally, as I started using the others one day, I tried it and I really loved it. I was like, oh my goodness, it looked great on my skin. So this color is Cheeky is the name of it. And I also have, let's see, wow, I have a lot in this kit. I have a Hydra Visor. This is a moisturizer. Oh, and an SPF. I wanted that. Oh my goodness, I almost ordered that yesterday. So glad I didn't. I already have one. So this is an SPF. So it moisturizes and gives sun protection. So there's that. I want you to be able to see these. I just love these. These are on my counter in my bathroom. I have so many of them. And makeup kit. So there are several things in this kit. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 different items, 5. So first, let's open up the eyeshadows. Super excited. I wonder if there's a special way to open these too. If you know of the way, leave it in the comments. And I love that. So on the box, it gives you the name of all of these. It's Shisha Smoke. I thought that said Shisha Simone. I'm like, ooh, she named one of these after me. There's Quicksand. There's Nuts and Dates, Hennessy, Spice Trip, Saffron. There's the Hennessy, the Nuts and Dates. Come and Get It. Desert Baked. So there you go. And let's look. Oh, see? Look at this kit that it comes in. It's nice and smooth. Also, the names of the colors are on the back of this, which is really nice. So this kit, the name of it is Moroccan Spice. And let's open it. Look at that. So I have all of these colors, which I'm really excited about because I am going to really practice, learn, master putting makeup on. And so now I have all of these colors. Let's see how many, 4, 8, 12, 16, 16 colors to practice mixing colors, putting 2 on at a time, mixing a color, individual colors, and then colors coordinating with what I'm wearing. I'm really excited for this. And I'm gonna tell you why once I finish opening everything. So there's this. And let's show you what else came in this. Makeup brushes. Now I do have a kit of makeup brushes, but Rihanna's makeup brushes are premier. I like the brush. I like the way they feel. I have one for the body sauce that I ordered. So this is, what is this? Oh, an amplifying eye primer. So this is an amplifying eye primer. So to go around the eye, which I'm excited about. And like I said, I'm new with makeup, so I am going to do a live. I'm going to show you. I think there are a lot who are. So definitely go on and order the kit, and then we can learn to apply our makeup together. And we can just, because I think that it's important. Beautiful is important. It really is. Whatever that definition is for you. Not conforming and everyone looking like one person's idea of it, but whatever your idea of beauty is. Some people who have some amazing makeup techniques. So here's one of the brushes, and you see how it's packaged. I wanted to open that for you and just show you the care and the detail. So when you take it out of the package, there's this little cap that protects the brush, which I really love. And then there's that brush. So you put it back in on the end, push it up, and then you can keep that, keeping the color separate, protecting that lid. I will probably end up ordering all of Rihanna's brushes because of these caps, because the makeup brushes that I have don't have the caps, and I like those. So this size brush, so several size brushes. See what this is. This is a mascara. And look at that. I love that. I like the look of it. I have a mascara, but I'm actually just about ready for more. Look at that. It's called Fly Liner. That's the mascara. So that came in the product. So 2 brushes, an eye primer, and a mascara came in the eyeliner kit. So those are my Rihanna products. Okay, so what I wanted to do was show you some of these colors on me. And I'm going to start with the Diamond Milk. I want to show you what that is. So first I'm going to wipe off what's currently on my mouth. I want to show you what I'm currently wearing actually. So this is what I'm currently wearing. This is a pink color, and it's called Pretty Please is the color. So when you're looking for it, this is a Pretty Please. That's what's on my lips right now. And so there it is. It's a Fenty Pretty Please. Look at that. I just love it. And this is the mini. So they're minis and then they're full size. So I had a kit of 6 minis, and that's what got me to first try the orange color, which I would have never tried. So I'm going to first take the Pretty Please off. You can see it gives a nice shimmer, nice color. It's a good high quality product. See that? That's a pink. And there's my lips. My lips are brown. They're naturally brown. My mom's always like, oh, honey, you have a natural line around your lips. So these are my lips. Let me see. It looks like I have a little bit still on top. No, it's all gone. So those are my lips. That's the pretty pink that you see without the out of the bottle. So that's that. And now I'm going to, I want to put on the Diamond Milk first because it's lighter in color so that you can see what that does. Because I was curious when I first ordered this one, I was like, what is that going to do? Is it going to look white? Especially because my lips are brown and my top lip is a lot more, it's a darker brown than my bottom lip. And then my lips kind of get like darker on the edge. So I just wanted to, did I get everything off? There. Yeah, I did. So I just wanted to show you this first. And so again, beautiful cases. Thank you, Rihanna, for tapping into that energy, letting that flow come through to create this for me. And let's see. I haven't had this one in a while. I ran out. I have another one. So that's it. It just gives you a little bit of, you have the gloss and a hint of sparkling color. I have a confetti color in my bathroom that has some hints of pink. This is, all of the hints are milky colored. So that's this. And so now I'm going to take it off and just put the orange on. Or should I mix the two? Yeah, I'm going to mix the two. Okay. So this is the cheeky color. Now this is an orange. Pretty Please is pink. Pretty Please is pink. This is Pretty Please. And the cheeky is orange. So keeping that in mind when you're, and you'll see that when you're online on the site. So this is it. Okay. There we go. That's our color. So these are our Fenty products. I'm super excited to have you here for the unboxing. The next Fenty video that I'm going to do, we're going to apply some makeup. So definitely come to that. What you will need, and I'll put it in the comments, but what you'll need: mascara, concealer. So we're going to work on our eyebrows. So we're going to do our eyes and eyebrows first. So mascara, concealer, and a lip color. And if you haven't already gone to get a nice quality product, start to think about that. If you don't yet have one, whatever works for you. This works for me. So whatever works for you, get that. But keep in mind that a quality product with quality products is going to treat your skin better and eventually your body. Everything that is applied on the skin treats your body in a certain way. So thinking about that. So this is our Fenty Beauty for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Simone Simpson, CEO of Wondering Yoga Cafe Entertainment, where we talk about travel, yoga, all kinds of fitness, and yummy, delicious foods. See you on the next one. And again, we're going to do the next Fenty video that we're going to do. We're going to apply. So again, what are the supplies that you'll need? Mascara. Let's do mascara, eyeliner, concealer, and the color for your lips. Whatever those colors may be for you. See you on the next one. Thank you so much. If you want more information, go to wonderingyogacafeentertainment.com, and I'll put links below for product and for other information as well. See you on the next one. Bye.